What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kraton V 2.10. Just finished updating it. I added a different kind of wheelie bar. These is 1/10 scale touring tires, and so what I did was I drilled it out so I could sit these on them and they fit flush with the washers and the original hardware that's for the original wheelie bar. I like how it came out. This is my first drive. It's a little wet out here up in South Philly. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, I'm trying to determine, do I really want to use these tires? To me, yeah, this thing is not coming off the ground though, I'll tell you that much. It's not coming off the ground at all. Alright, let's go over here so I only got it on 50%. I don't know how much this thing can take. These tires will not balloon. Well, they'll balloon slightly, but not like that. I want to try this part, but there's a lot of goddamn dang snow over there. I'm gonna throw this on 100% here. And I'm tired stiff. Don't have no air control. None whatsoever. Yeah, I need to. No air control. Oh God. I don't know why it's try to get for this car to come. Yeah, that air control is not there. A little unstable with these tires on there too. A little unstable. Look at my car looking all dirty. I had a feeling I wouldn't like these tires like that. I had a strong feeling I wouldn't like these tires. They sort of holding it down, but they kind of too small for my taste. Maybe I'm not gaining enough speed to do some major jumps. Said I wasn't going to jump this. I said I was not going to jump it. Jump pretty smooth though. Take me too long to line up for the jump. Yo, this thing ate the heck, broke the hex. Yeah, man, come on. It's not even that, I guess it is cold out here. I really didn't want to run this while in this kind of conditions and weather, but I did have to get this out here for y'all and for myself. You know what I mean? And it didn't work out the way I wanted it to, but them tires are pretty heavy. And these arms and drive shaft is pretty heavy. And it's chilly outside. Oh boy. Oh well. Back to the drawing board.
A few moments later.
Perfect. Yeah, I got it back on the table now. What I did was, this is about a week later, probably more than a week later. But what I did is put the original tires back on. Looks slammy. But what I added was, I want to try out, is this wheelie bar right here. I mean, these wheels. Yeah, to explain what these tires are right here. To explain that is, these is 1/10 scale tires. It's a little wobbly, you know, it's really wobbly. But they 1/10 scale tires. That was, I had a set of them and 2 of them is broke. And I'm like, you know what? Let's give that a shot. So what I did with these, I took the original hardware they had and just drilled out the hole a little bit bigger. Could have did it, you know, had it a little tighter, but I wanted to have that free spin. So I let it be loose like that. So what I did was drilled out a hole in it so it can fit the hardware that's already on there and lined right up. Worked out pretty good. Not to mention it looked pretty good. I think that's a nice little touch. Yo, this thing looks really mean now. Take a step back, let y'all look at that. Look at that beauty right there. So what I did was I left the system in there. This is the original 4S system, but now you know it's all upgraded now. Aluminum part, aluminum drive shaft, center diff, all that good stuff. But just added this wheelie bar and added these tires because it was really too much weight. Them tires were they didn't have too much give on it. So, you know, I have all that metal. It wasn't a big old shock that happened, but this time, hopefully it works for the best, because if it don't, I'm gonna take the metal arms out of there. I mean, it looked good. It looked good with the metal arms, but don't mean it's gonna perform good. So I don't want to hold up too much time, so I'm gonna get back into the bash. So stay tuned. All right, I'm back. I'm out. I'm at Alberry, the other side, and something sounds like it's wrong with the steering. Yeah, I only got it on. I want to explore this park a little more. Yeah, but so far I did, my steering is a little one. Moving that fast, huh? I wanted to explore up there. I want to see what this park got for me. Oh, I'm gonna have to just pull out the ramp. I think I might just pull out the ramp. Steering is not good. It is not good. Yeah, I might have to change. Change the system out because it's stumbling, stuttering. It's not geared up too much, nothing like that. So she is moving. I really wish I could have went to my other park. Whoa. That's what broke it in the first place, a bad jump. But these tires have a little more give than them other ones. Cause these are the factory tires, so the rubber has a lot more give, a little more forgiving.
Oh!
And it broke my wheelie bar. Not to mention, you figure how many 10th scale cars you've seen launch.
Perfect.
Yeah. Yo, that thing is soaring through the air. I should have gave myself a little more of a run up. Thing up here, I gotta watch out for these trees and signs. That's what broke my Hero. Let's see if I can pull off. See the thing? Okay, I need to bring the ramp down some more. Then I can pull off the back flip. At least try to do a back flip.
Perfect.
Like I said in the previous Hero video, I do not like running in just grass. I don't. I like to have different things to run in. Oh! And she survived. I was wondering could it would it take that. And it's muddy out here at the same time. I done shifted the ramp. And shifted the battery. Only thing about running in grass is more forgiving. More forgiving when you crash and you know what I mean? It ain't so hard. And this is pretty soft right now.
Perfect.
Yo, that dirt hit me right in the mouth. Right in the mouth. Collected a bunch of leaves. Yeah, but only thing this need now is a system. It's running pretty good, but out that stubble, it's not wheeling like it would normally do.
Perfect. Perfect.
Boom! Oh, but she backflipped though. But she backflipped. I didn't think it was gonna make it. Yo. Them other tires I had, they was done on what? On like the third jump, they was done. Boom. I mean, the metal arms is unnecessary. It really is. It really is. It downs the durability.
Perfect.
It might sound good, look good, but it really kind of. I only put metal arms on a street car. Not on no basher. Makes it heavier, as I can tell. But how this drives, it's not picking up speed like it normally would. I don't know what that was. So I didn't have my eye on the ramp, of course. Thing is busting through them leaves like it ain't nothing. And what happens with these heavy arms and the heavy drive shaft, but luckily it's cool out here, it overheats the system. I could have had the system overheating, but luckily it's cool out here, so it's not giving it no problems. And we went in the LVC. So yeah, this is all right. I just need to, I guess my Willy bar technique ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to do my homie Milk Builds wheels on my Willy bar. He used skate wheels on Willy bars, and that will hold it down a lot better. Well, let me stop. Get this car over here because it's gonna die. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon with my Kratons. I might make this 6S, but more coming soon with this. So hope you enjoyed that. Hit that like button, notification bell, and I'm out.